Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this diagram that is a parallelogram. Part A requires us to find the area. Okay, so for a parallelogram, the area is the base times height, where the base and the height must be 90 degrees to each other. That's how I choose, and I saw the 90 degree. And so I'm going to choose 16 and 9. 16 times 9. That will give me the area. 144 cm square. Now, in order to find the value of h, I need to know the area, which is 144. Why? Because this h is also 90 degrees to this, and since I know the sides of this parallelogram, this is 24. That means 24 times h is also the area of the parallelogram, and we already know the area, 144 cm square. So I just have to equate 24 times h is equals to 144. So 144 divided by 24 is the height, which is the h, 6 cm. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.